subscribe. Guess
Is
what?
this one? No. Yeah, oh. Yeah. So we got the biggest one, Phi. Here. There it is. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. We're on a yacht. Let's discover a little bit. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Sawadee ka.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee ka. Welcome drink? Okay, okay.
อันนี้อะไรคะน้ำสับปะรดค่ะสับปะรด
Oh, pineapple
ระดับ
juice.
จูสค่ะ
Oh, thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my God, what a nice boat. In this beautiful weather in Thailand. This is just paradise. We're gonna have an amazing day today, guys. So happy.
We are leaving.
Let's bring some French fries for Phi. Phi is not feeling good. Gotta help her. Phi, how are you feeling?
Racha Noi.
Racha Noi, you noon. There. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, yes. ไม่มีโคลนเลยใช่ไหม
ไม่มีเลยครับ
ดี
ดีมากเลย
Three, go. So cool here. It's really one of the most beautiful places we've seen, no?
Better than freedom.
Yeah.
This is the favorite
It's our pool.
private pool.
Private pool. Look at this private pool. You want to pee in the water, Phi?
Yes.
Okay, you do it. One more question we had in the comments. Phi, are you a lady boy?
Yes, I'm a lady boy. Go back to private boat.
Go back to my yacht.
Alright. Okay, go. Bye. See you there.
Bye bye.
Woo. So high.
Hello.
Hello.
How do you feel now? Are you still seasick or
I'm feeling okay.
you're feeling okay? Where are we now?
Racha, short Racha Yai.
Racha Yai. Yeah. Looks beautiful, right?
Yeah.
You want to go swim, snorkeling? Yes?
Yes.
Ah, it's hot.
The second beach,
Racha Yai.
Racha Yai.
Yeah. The water is very clear, right? There's a nice hotel over there.
What?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, it's very amazing day today.
It was so nice. Boat trip in Phuket, guys, you have to try that. It's just so great. What was your favorite part of the day?
I like the first beach. Is the water so clear and it's amazing.
Yeah, me too. The first beach again, like in Klabi. First beach was the best. It was just so clear water, paradise. Guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye bye.
Sawadee khap. Can I just film a little bit? Do you like to work on this boat?
I love it.
Yes?
Yes, I love it.
It's so nice,
Yeah,
right?
So nice.
Yeah. So what do? You cook, you take care of everything, right?
Take care everything and helper. Chef now.
She's the chef.
Chef.
You're the chef.
Yeah.
You are the one who cooked the delicious burger, right? You cook hamburger ใช่ไหมครับ
Yes.
อร่อยมากเลย Cool. Okay, thank you. I will go explore a little bit more. Okay, let's continue. What's going on there? Let's have a look. Oh, a bedroom. Toilet. Wow. Oh, hey. Hello. Another bedroom here? Wow. You even have a shower in your boat. 2 bedrooms? Do I see 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms? There's another bed there. 4 bedrooms. This must be the master bedroom. It's bigger. This is insane.